I learn English. I learn English. I speak English. I speak English. I listen to music. I listen to music. I read books. I read books. I write letters. I write letters. I practice English every day. I practice English every day. I understand the lesson. I understand the lesson. I remember new words. I remember new words. I ask questions. I ask questions. I answer the question. I answer the question. I explain the word. I explain the word. I translate the sentence. I translate the sentence. I check my answer. I check my answer. I describe the picture. I describe the picture. I summarize the text. I summarize the text. I teach English. I teach English. I review my homework. I review my homework. I memorize new words. I memorize new words. I compare the two sentences. I compare the two sentences. I master new vocabulary. I master new vocabulary. I achieve my goals. I achieve my goals. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe.